Hello everyone, this video is about benefits of YouTubing, alright? And to enjoy this video, please watch it till the end. Thank you. This is Rahul Mohan Chandran, the greatest performer the world has ever seen. Namaste, Adab, Sasrikal, Kemchu, Majama, Namaskaram. Welcome! Okay, today I'm going to speak to you about the benefits of YouTubing. Okay, the first point, creative videos. Okay, creative videos. See, in a company, the creative things are mostly done by the top levels. So when you create your own videos, you are using your creativity in that, and you have a major say on that. So actually, you are doing the jobs of a creative part, the administrative role in the organization, and the organization is YouTube. Okay, so if your videos are good in future and it's trending or people are liking it, the good thing is that YouTube will use this product, that is your video, as a means to advertise other products, and you'll be paid for it. But if you don't have so much followers or subscribers, it will not. So it's okay, but it's okay. But just imagine if I'll get forward 15 million subscribers in future. You see, you can dream as much as you want, even if it's like 100 million subscribers. You can just imagine as big as possible, and try for it. Even if you don't get it, it's okay. Instead, that if you have a goal of mountains, achieving mountains, then only you'll get somewhere at least land. Okay, so have a high dream. The first one. The second benefit of YouTubing is it's there's no specific timing. You can upload your videos anywhere, anytime. You don't need to do a 9 to 5 job, or you don't need to do a night shift particularly. Okay, if you want, it depends. Okay, sometimes some nature of videos have, for example, if you are showing a ghost video, or you have to show it at night. Okay, and there's some other videos, might be you're traveling and you have to show your food that you're eating, then you have to show it at night. But usually there's no specific timing. Whenever you're free, when you're happy, and when you're the most comfortable, you can show it. So there's no formality, that there's not like you should show it, you should do it right now. There's no pressure. All right. So that is the second benefit. And the third benefit is like the best social media to have fame and make money. Okay. See, before making money, you should just imagine, as an artist, I'm an artist, right? So as an artist, I do drawings and all. Drawings, I compose music. Okay, compose songs, not music. Music I'm not good at. I'm not good in music instruments. That's why I don't. Usually you might see I don't have guitar at hand when I sing. People do recommend me to have a guitar in my hand and sing, but I don't know much about guitar, and I don't have guitar right now. I can just do like this, something like that. So it increases, at least you see utilizing your time for something positive. It's not negative by any stretch of imagination, and you can achieve more friends because of that, and you can make money. If you're successful in YouTube, you can make money, and that's the best thing. And if you make money out of YouTube, the good thing is that you're doing what you like in your leisure time. You're doing it, and you can earn money, but the parameters are huge. It's very difficult to reach that parameter. Okay, but once you reach it, okay, it becomes a very easy mode. Okay, the tension is less. Don't take too much tension in it, or when you're doing it, just relax and enjoy. And the fourth point is knowledge. Knowledge is your best friend. See, anybody can cheat you anytime, because they have their own life. Okay, they might be your best friend, your family members, anybody can cheat you. But the one thing, your perfect knowledge that you gain from your books, or the uh, updated knowledge that you get, is your friend till the death. All right. So knowledge is your best friend, and you earn it. You earn it, and you give it in a capsule form, right? So you get the information from YouTube in a capsule form. So you don't need to read the entire brochure or entire stuff. You just need to understand basics. They'll give you basic information, and then they will go for the updated information or higher information, right? So step by step you will learn it, and then if you will inform to someone else, you also inform it in a capsule term, right? And depend on the videos that you make. If it's like 5 minutes video, you'll do it in a capsule form. But if you're doing it for higher amount of time, you will give it for you will give it for a huge it will have everything in that video, but it's better to give it in a capsule form, and then you can explain step by step later. The fourth is raising your voice against or for anything. So it's one of the greatest social media, right? It's one of the biggest social media wherein you can raise your voice against anything and for against. You must think what's so big about it. See, to be heard is a right of a consumer. To be heard is a right of a person. Okay, and nowadays even relatives don't listen to you, yeah. And when you feel that nobody's listening to you, the best source and your best friend is YouTubing. YouTube. Okay, I'm going to give you the drawbacks of being in YouTube as well, but I'll give you the benefits are more. Benefits are much more. Okay, so the fourth is over. The fifth one is meet like-minded people to some extent. See, some people don't are so lonely in life. They have their family members, but they require friends. Okay, so you cannot share everything to your mother because the age gap is there, the respect is there. But I do share my everything. My best friend is my mother, but everybody is not as lucky as me. So, so it's very difficult to meet like-minded people to some extent, right? So, it's so you can meet like-minded people because everybody is looking for growth in YouTube. Okay, and you can help them, and you can be helped as well. So you can create a. It's said that internet relationships don't last much, but if it lasts, then let's think positive, right? If it lasts, then it's good for you. If it doesn't last, it's okay. You have been living before, you will live in future as well. So you can make a lot of friends. You can understand a lot of people's thought process. You can understand. You can learn. Knowledge also, yeah. Knowledge is no. I told you knowledge, right? Knowledge is also your best friend, right? So you're earning from some knowledge from here. You're getting entertainment as well. So salute, yeah. And these are the benefits that are there in YouTube. I'll give it to you once again. First thing, you're giving creative. Your creative ideas are being viewed, creative videos, and you're doing the creative part. Second is there's no 9 to 5 specific timing that you need to do this work. Third is that knowledge factor. You can earn knowledge and give knowledge, so it will spread more knowledge. The fourth one is raising your voice against or for anything, which is very important. Okay, to be heard is very important, right? And the fifth one is you meet like-minded people to some extent, so it's fantastic. Make okay friends. Okay, so you'll not feel alone. And the best social media to have fame and money is the sixth benefit. That's all. It's already 8 o'clock, 8 minutes time. I don't want you to increase it too much. Thank you so much for viewing this. This is Rahul Mohan Chandran, the greatest performer the world has ever seen. Thank you. Bye.